French President Emmanuel Macron visited Pope Francis at the Vatican's Apostolic Palace. He was accompanied by his wife, Brigitte, and a troop of Swiss guards. Their meeting lasted almost an hour. The president gave the Pope a first-edition copy of Perpetual Peace, written by philosopher Immanuel Kant in 1795 to propose ways for all countries in the world to live in peace. In return, Pope Francis gave him a bronze medal with a peculiar depiction of St. Peter's Square, showing how Bernini originally envisioned his iconic colonnade, entirely closed and with only one fountain underneath the central obelisk. He also gave the president a collection of the primary texts of his pontificate, among them the Pope's Message of Peace for 2022, the document on human fraternity, and a book of his Statio Orbis blessing in 2020. When saying goodbye, Brigitte, Macron, and Pope Francis shared this heartfelt moment.
Merci beaucoup, priez pour moi.
Je prie pour vous.
N'oubliez pas.
Je prie pour vous tous les jours.
Oui.
Merci.